Now. Okay lads, we're going to square it out then. So, is it this one, is it? What one have you got? 12? Lads, it's 12 and 13. Yeah. Alright. Ouch. Express each of the following a plus bi. Woo. Alright. Ah, this one, to be fair, I didn't show you this. Was there one done in the examples? Did you square both sides? So you square both sides. Usually if there's a random question you haven't got a clue of, go back to the sample questions at the start of the exercise and usually one of them's done. Alright, square it out, yeah. What's a plus bi multiplied by a plus bi? Huh? Yeah. Plus 2abi. B squared I squared, which is minus b squared, equals minus 15 plus 8i. We kill with that? Now, and 2ab equals 8. And then what does b equal? You can get b or a on its own, can't you? Doesn't really matter. All roads lead the same way. So, who got a on its own? Nobody got this far? You got a on its own, or I get a on its own. Alright. A on its own will be 8 over 2b, which is 4 over b. Is that alright with you guys? Now go back here, lob it in. So you're going to get 4 over b. It's sort of similar to the one we did yesterday, where you're going to have a b to the power of 4, aren't you? So b to the power of 4 is going to be an issue. But we know that a and b have to be an element of, or, so that narrows it down. Alright, let's square this out. 16 over b squared minus b squared equals minus 15. Multiply across by b squared, and you get 16 minus, what happens here? B to the power of 4 then, minus 15, b squared, yeah. b4 minus 15 b2 minus 16 equals 0. We all good there? Balaam? You good? Alright, what's the substitution you make, Jamie?
U equals b squared.
Yep. So what does it turn into?
B squared plus 15u.
Minus 15u, but you're grand, yeah. And then I moved it all to the right, so I got 0 equals b4 minus 15b squared minus 16. Is that alright, is it? Alright. Now, what you get next? Now. Alright, go on, what you get, Jamie?
U plus 16. Or U minus 16.
And u plus 1. Okay. Charlie, finish that off there.
U is equal to 16 and U minus 1.
Alright, and what is u?
B squared.
B squared equals 16 or b squared equals minus 1. Which answer doesn't matter? The minus 1 doesn't matter. Why? It says at the top, doesn't it? A, B has to be an element of, or can't be a complex answer. So what are the two answers you're looking at here? Plus or minus 4. And then what is 4 over b, isn't it? So A is 4 over b. So when b is 4 and b is minus 4, what's the answer for A then? When b is 4, A is 1. And when b is minus 4, A is minus 1. And reread the question. It wants the answer in the form a plus bi, so we should have 1 plus 4i or minus 1 minus 4i. Is that alright? Who got that one out of interest? I know didn't teach us it. But anybody want 13 done? Does anybody know what the bar means? Sorry, that's my bad, alright? So, bar means the conjugate. So what's the conjugate of z1? 2 minus 3i. Remember, you just changed the middle part. What would be the conjugate of z2? Minus 1 plus. That's not what they're asking for though, right? That's just an example. What they're actually asking for is you add them first and conjugate it afterwards. So what's z1 plus z2? 2 take away 1. 3i take away 5i. Conjugate 1 minus 2i. Who got that out? Right. Next one. Multiply them by each other. What you get? 2 plus 3i and minus 1 minus 5i. Minus 2 minus 10i minus 3i. What's that? 15 minus 15i squared, otherwise known as plus 15. 13 minus 13i. You okay with that? Yes, it is. Conjugate that. Everybody okay with that? Alright.